Is it right time to replace your old data center switches now? Future trend and ideal solution for enterprises' legacy. 10G, 40G data center switches are increasingly becoming a bottleneck for cloud, virtualization, AI, and big data traffic, showing up as peak hour slowdowns, limited port density, and higher O&M complexity, especially when modern fabrics require VXLAN, EVPN, SDN. This article argues that now is a reasonable time to refresh if you're hitting bandwidth ceilings, struggling with support updates, or planning growth through 2026-2030. As an upgrade example, the Huawei CE6881-48S6CQ-B is positioned as a cost-effective access layer refresh with 24H 25G plus 24X10G downlinks, 6GHz 100G uplinks, 2.56 Tbps switching, and 1.44 Bpps throughput, designed for low latency and future-proof scaling. It recommends a structured migration. Assess bottlenecks, replace TOR first, validate core compatibility, roll out gradually, and monitor throughout. Future trends highlighted: broader 100G adoption, emerging 400G and hyperscale, edge computing distribution, and more SDN automation.